Just getting a drink of water and noticed our friend showing up. Little blurry, sorry, I threw a window. Now they're looking. Wow, those are two nice looking deer. Oh, a third. Third. It's behind there in the trees. Just went back up in the shadow. Cool to see. I got music in the kitchen, TV's playing in the living room. I was just prepping some food for the dogs, so I had two things going. Awesome. Man, there's nothing like living this close to nature. Anywhere you are in Canada. Short drive to find us.